So it's been constantly raining for the past few weeks in June, and here we are in July, and I got wet in the rain while I was in the road on the way here. So after arriving, I changed my clothes, and after having lunch, I came to the roof, and I was amazed by the look of it. There was one side sunny sky, and the other side was totally cloud. And it's been a while since I've experienced this kind of weather. And after rain, everything felt so fresh. There was no pollution like in the city. So after some busy days and stressful moments, it feels so peaceful. And I remember last summer I captured some beautiful time lapse back in the village, but this time I didn't brought the tripod. But I have some plans to visit the village areas again, and I will be prepared. As I said, the other side was fully sunny, as you can see right now, and it was quite a different time. And about the rainy season is it's quite like everything is changing in a fast pace. Like it's sunny, and after some minutes it's cloudy, and that is why I was having some problem to capturing photos on my camera. I had to constantly changing the ISO, and it was ruining my photos. And if you're capturing in a phone, that's because I'm using a very old camera. It's Canon 1300D, and it's really outdated, but if you are a photographer and you know how to capture photos, then it works absolutely fine. And I was looking for some cloudy moments so that I can capture some beautiful shots and edit them later. temperature was 33, 34, and it was quite uncomfortable some of the times. But so that's it for today. I will see you guys in the next adventure. See you soon.